Right then, let's cover ghost slams. This is a great way to mimic tyre slams without the tyre, or if you have a dentable floor so you don't damage your surroundings. What you're going to do is start in a square stance with an upward thumb grip, bring the mace head behind you and up over the top, and then as we squat down, we slide the lead hand halfway down the handle. Go to hit, but don't hit the floor. And then once we're at the bottom, opposite hand comes off, rotate behind us, stand up over, down, rotate, up over, down. If you want to make this harder, bring your hands further down so it's more difficult to restrain that momentum. Perform those for a number of reps or time in your program.